There is nothing more common than rainy days. You think it's sunny, then suddenly the showers come. So what do? Notice how our umbrellas cover the bare essentials. But how about the beautiful and valuable accessories? We try to protect them as much as we can, but still it's not enough. That's why we have a solution for all bag lovers. The Presa bag coat, a raincoat to protect your bag and everything in it. It's as simple as this. Open the Velcro strap. From the bottom of the bag coat, insert the handles through the opening and slide onto the bag. The bag coat is made out of water-resistant material and can fit small to large bags. Then close the Velcro strap for a snug and protected fit. Voila! Now you can confidently strut your cute ensemble without having to worry about your precious bag. See? Told you! The opening of the bag coat makes items in your bag accessible to you without the hassle. And just like our circle shawls, we have a growing array of designs to choose from, and they come in cute ready gift pouches. Now I can breathe the stress away. Follow us on Instagram at IamPresaFashion and Facebook.com/IamPresaFashion. Love lots!